Hey guys, in today's video, we will be going through the latest version of Express.js, which is the Express.js version 5. So the Express version 5 is finally released after 11 long years since the release date of Express version 4. So the main focus of this release is to drop the old Node.js version support, and they have also stated that it's released on next disk tag, which means that for us to have Express version 5, we need to run npm install express @next. So on providing latest, it still install the Express version 4. So on the terminal, if I run npm install express @latest, you can see Express version 4 inside the dependencies of package.json. Now if we run using @next, then we can see our version 5 Express. But soon there will be changes in which version 5 will be installed on latest. We will also be informed about the release to be moved from next to latest. And you can see the changes here for the version 5, and the first one states about the Node.js versions. So you need to have at least Node version 18 for setting up Express 5. You can also check your version with Node flag v. Make sure it's not below 18. There is also some minor changes to path matching with removal of support for expressions mentioned here. This is done to improve the security. The route patterns have also been simplified. Optional part of the route uses this braces syntax now. So the important change in the update is the promise support. So Express has added supports for promise-based middleware. In our Express 4, we had to perform try-catch blocks, manual error propagation. Here getData could also give an error. So for that, we had to handle errors manually by catching that error and passing using next error to an error handling middleware. But no need to do that for Express 5. It will automatically catch errors from the returned rejected promises without need for additional error handling code. So this would be our code for Express 5, which is more simple and clean. So in this case, even if getData will throw an error, we can send the response without need of manual error catching. You can also see in the docs, it's mentioned here that we don't need to catch the error in line anymore. So the router will now catch rejected promise and itself and call next error. There are also some minor body parser changes. In Express 4, request.body would automatically initialize as an empty object even if no parsing middleware was set up. But now in version 5, it will be undefined in that case. In Express 4, when using the URL encoded parser, we had to explicitly set extended option to false. Now in the version 5, it will provide default to false. So here not providing anything means it is false. If we want to set it to true, we need to manually include extended to true here. This update has also removed depreciated methods. Now we can't send status and body together with the response. Instead, we should use the response.status and include status here and the body after the send. This update has also removed this method of only sending status. We are only allowed to use response.sendStatus, and for the status with the optional body, we can provide empty field in the send part. So for the JSON object also, sending status and object together is removed. it should be response.status. Include the status inside, and finally the object inside this .json. So that was the changes mentioned in Express 5 here. Before migrating to version 5, you must be familiar with the changes. You should also make sure all of your dependencies are compatible with version 5, and there should not be any depreciated methods. With these actions, you can start working with Express v5 efficiently. So in this video, we have successfully learned about the features and improvement in Express version 5. Thank you guys for watching this video.